Nice.
What up?
Oh, you know, just messing around with my Elgato Stream Deck.
Oh.
What?
Oh, I mean, nothing. It's just, you know, I mean, it's kind of small for a deck, you know. It's just...
No, I mean, it's pretty average, you know? I mean, it's all about how you use it, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, you know, I was just talking to Stacy the other day, and she was talking about her boyfriend, his deck, you know, so...
Oh my god. What? But, I mean, you know, this is what I got, so it's fine, right? It's fine.
Yeah, totally, man. It's totally fine. I gotta go.
I need a bigger deck.
You have such a big deck.